Hi, I'm Chris Cassan. I'm the National Sales Manager for Valtronic here in the United States. We're here at the ADM show in Cleveland, Ohio, and I thought it would be nice to give you an overview of our company and our capabilities. So we're a design and manufacturer of electronic solutions in the medical device field. We do development in 3 different countries: Switzerland, Morocco, and here in Cleveland in the United States. 50% of our business is in active implants, and over 80% of our business is in the medical field. We do also some industrial and aerospace business throughout the globe. We have a staff of design engineers. We're in the process of ramping up our design engineering staff here in the United States, and we can take care of all your development needs as it relates to getting you to clinical trials or to production in a timely basis. We have a clean room in all facilities that we can work on any of your product needs in that type of environment. We're FDA registered, ISO 13485 also. Have the capabilities to do all traceability and serialization on your product, and we have always investing in this latest state-of-the-art equipment to automate electronic assembly and take cost out for your end device. So for more information, please visit our website at valtronic.com. We appreciate your time today. Thank you.